Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. I already know what time it is. Your girl got herself a new bag. You here to see what's in this big old box. I need for y'all to click on my subscribe button, yes, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, you all, let's go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. Oh, by the way, y'all, I got this cup from Starbucks. It's so cute. Like, it gives me that summertime vibe, sitting at the pool, all cute. But we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side because y'all already know y'all not here for that. Let me show you how big this is. This box weighs 6 pounds. I checked on UPS. It just came, y'all. I'm so excited. Yeah. Now, this was a blind buy. I did go to the store Monday of this week, and I tried to peek at the bag, but it wasn't available for me to look at it or anything like that. This is my first time ever seeing the bag, so fingers crossed. I am loving this bag because, like I said, I didn't get a chance to see it other than YouTube videos. Do y'all see that? Like, Louis Vuitton? Like, oh my goodness, you all. I was getting ready to pop a bottle. It turns out the way I planned for it to turn out, like if I'm loving the bag and everything like that, I'm popping a bottle today, honey, because this bag, I'm gonna pop my bottle. So here, oh my goodness. Look at that. Let me get a thumbnail. Woo, y'all, let me. Woo, check. I just threw that over there because, you know, I want to get it out the way, because if y'all can see, I'm not working with that much space over here. But let me get a thumbnail. I already know Louis Vuitton comes with your receipt. Yeah, my mic is on. So this is the return information. This is my receipt, what I ordered. Thanks for shopping Louis Vuitton. I did send a little note to myself. It was a happy Mother's Day. I guess not. Whatever. But yeah. So let me see if I can pull this camera down. I know y'all ain't gonna ever be able to guess what this bag is, so I'm not gonna even say any guesses. But this is something that I do not have in my collection. It's like, so let me go ahead and, you know, try this, because y'all, I've been having a hard time with Louis Vuitton. Like, everything I wanted has been sold out. When I tell you I stalked the shit out of this bag, what I did was, like, any items you want from Louis Vuitton that's hard to get, that's always sold out, what I did was I put them in my, like, I have a account with Louis Vuitton 2011. I did was I put all the items that I'm, you know, that I was looking for in my favorites. So each morning I was going in, checking and seeing, you know, what was available. So that's how I was able to snag this particular bag. But if you go online, I'm not sure about now, but if you go online, this whole line of bags are sold out. So that's how I was able to get, because like I said, when I tell you I stalked the shit out of that website for this here bag, I didn't know in the inside, because y'all, when I had Louis Vuitton back in 2012, it was the brown boxes, but I didn't pay this no mind. But the inside has like little tabs where you can like break the box down, which I like, because if I ever decide to have to move, at least I know I can break my boxes down. So let me move that out. Don't mind my hands being ashy, because I didn't really want to put no lotion or anything on my hands, because again, I didn't want to ruin the bag. And keep this box up here and reveal why it's sitting up here. Y'all, I'm so excited. Sorry, y'all, I'm so excited. It feels like everything is everything. Oh my goodness. This is the Montessori backpack, the turtle dove with the pink interior, y'all. No, some people was saying out the box you don't smell the leather. I smell the leather like, oh my goodness, it smells so yummy. First and ever leather bag. Yes, and I got this here bag because, as you know, my lifestyle has changed. Do not wear like really big hobo bags like I used to, so I like really small and convenient type bags. And I was like, you know what, I don't have a cute backpack in my collection. And the reason why I say backpack is because, like, when I'm traveling to PA to see the grandkids, or if I go to the zoo or to the park, I don't mind the crossbody bags, but I was looking into like backpacks, whereas though I can put it on my back and, you know, be comfortable at the same time and don't have to worry about anything. Because I love my Alma BB. Doesn't hold everything. Like, that's more of an essential bag when you want to carry just what you need. This here, I can carry everything I need. Also, I can put it on my back and don't have to worry about anything. Like I said, I love my Alma BB. I do not regret purchasing that, but I just wanted to add a little something extra to my collection. So I decided to go with the turtle dove color, only because they had black, cream. Of course, I wasn't going to get the cream. Black was nice because it had the black with the gold. The only thing with the black that I didn't like was the fact that the inside interior was also black, and I just felt like that was too much black, because I was really looking for the monogram with the it was the monogram print with the black leather and the red interior. Now that's the bag that I really want, and I'll try and insert pictures so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Now that bag I couldn't catch at all. I checked on this style of a bag. I checked the monogram and I also checked the leather. The monogram never came available except for the BB, and the price of the BB versus the monogram was like a $200 difference. And I think from the monogram PM versus this one was like a $200-300 difference. So of course it's like go big or go home, and I felt like the leather. And plus, since I couldn't get the one that I really wanted, I was like, I might as well just go ahead and gather all the difference and get the leather. So I ended up getting this, and I watched a few videos, and one of the ladies did actually return my message, because I inboxed her, well, messaged her under her video asking her did she have issues with color transfer, because as you can see, the bag is not really light, because online it looks real light and it may come off a little light on camera, but it's not as light as you would think. I was a little worried about color transfer because of the fact that, you know, the bag being so light, but it's like a, I don't know, I don't want to say gray, like a tannish gray. I don't know, y'all. But let me just stop running my mouth and go ahead and show you the inside of this freaking bag. Y'all, look at the inside of this bag. I don't know if this is a sticker over the bag. I'm hoping it's a sticker. Okay. Whew. I was about to panic, you all, because I'm like, okay, why does it look like it's scratched or something? I think it's, yeah, it's a sticker. Okay, y'all, I'm looking at this bag. I'm just hoping that's like the protective sticker on the buttons, on the button front, because look how that button look. I just can't get it because of my nails, but I'm assuming it's a sticker on it. It better be a sticker on there, because we're gonna have some issues. The inside, y'all, this is what made me purchase this hair bag, because look how pretty this hair inside is. This hair is like a blush pink, and you do have your here is the product number if you decide to want to look for this bag for yourself. Here is your inside pocket. Yeah, this has to be a sticker on here, because if not, I have a problem with that. The front, you have a zipper, and oh, Louis Vuitton zippers are so smooth. So here in this front pocket, a cell phone. Now I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What I'll do is I'm gonna show you how it fits, or if it can fit. Okay, so the iPhone 12 Pro Max do fit in the inside. As you can probably would keep it, I don't know, either in the front or the inside pocket. Let's just see, inside pocket. So let's just say you want to place it inside of here. So it do fit in your inside, but it doesn't go like all the way down. let me move this box because I'm trying to like show you without trying to get makeup on it or whatever. So I don't know what just happened, but I was not recording. Oh God. So I don't know where I left off, but I'm gonna just go backwards on what I was doing. Stuff in my bag, so I'm gonna just show you what I have inside of this here bag really quick. Some things in here. I'm not sure if I showed the didn't mention I did get this here what is this organizer from Amazon. It is a blush pink. It do fit in the inside of this here bag. Sure about the organizer only because bags to be slouchy, so I just got it just to see if it's something that I need, only because the inside is so light. I have an artsy that I had since I think like 2013 14, something like that, and that inside is like that real tan, like that light tan, so I managed to keep that clean for years. So it's like this. I probably would try carry, you know, a lot of small pouches just so I don't have to worry about you know, anything staining the inside of this bag. And then I also have to take in consideration the things I put in here that don't bleed or cause color transfer, because if y'all been following me, y'all know I had an issue with my Moore mount, and I had that Kate Spade wallet in there. Like, it was like a wallet that had like glitter on it. For some reason it stained the bottom of my Moore mount bag. Now, I don't know how things will work with Louis Vuitton if I had an issue like that with something, you know, staining the inside of my bag. So I don't want to even take no chances. So like I said, I'll just be mindful what I put in this here bag. Like this here, have to worry too much about color transfer. I do have little pouches, and again, if you been following me on YouTube, you will know that I do have a Gucci unboxing coming up soon, and I brought that Gucci to go along with this here backpack. Is the bag with the organizer. What I ended up doing, because I thought I was recording, I threw some stuff in this hair bag. Like I said, here is my one of my card cases, and now with this here backpack I can carry like all my little accessories, because if y'all didn't know, I did buy a lot of different accessories. I have my card keys, I have my Louis Vuitton wallet. Y'all, I have to do a review on this because I love this here card case. I also have my Hermes lip balm. When I carry this in this bag, of course, I'm going to make sure I put it inside of a cosmetic pouch. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to just throw it inside of here. Here is the inside of the bag. And this is why I like the light interior versus the dark. Because the black was the black and gold was really nice. But like I said, I didn't like the dark interior. Like if they would have did the black with a red or like that light blue interior, then I would have got the black. The black, I won't have to worry about anything. But like I said, I did reach out to someone who has this bag. And then I also spoke to a sales associate at the Louis Vuitton store. And they said they didn't have any issues with anybody complaining about color transfer. So I'm like, okay, good. Because I like light color bag. Not real light, but you know what I mean? I like this color bag. What sold me, like I said, was the interior of this hair bag. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. And if I didn't mention, the bottom do not have any feet. Also get this here bag charm. A lot of people complained about the bag charm, like it feels real cheap. But I mean, I don't mind it. It's just a cute piece of accessory that go with the bag. Take this off, so when I do the bag review, I will take this off and show you different bag charms or things you can carry. You know, things you can put on the side of here, because someone was saying they would have preferred to have the D-ring inside of the bag. I kind of agree, but again, it don't bother me because most of the time when I had D-rings, I didn't attach my keys anyway. Now, I did hear that they are doing away with the date codes and they are putting chips inside of the bags, I guess to keep people from counterfeiting Louis Vuitton or whatever. I don't know, y'all. But I'm just so excited, you all. I am truly, truly excited. Not only am I excited, I am truly, truly blessed and thankful because, again, who would have ever thought, that I would have Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and things like that in my collection, like, for real. I said, you all, I just want to say thank you so much for the love I get here on this channel when it comes to handbags, because y'all get me, y'all understand me, y'all understand the whole Louis Vuitton and Gucci thing. Really appreciate you, because a lot of times people around me don't get it, but y'all do, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for the support. I'll show your girl here on this channel, so please, again, don't forget to click on my subscribe button, because y'all, it really helps out my channel, and it also helps me to keep being able to buy bags like this, you know, so I can share with y'all, so I can let y'all know if it's Miss Tamika approved. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to click on my notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, we will talk to y'all later. Bye.